get started this week and creating a bird drawing, okay? Now, in order to create our bird drawing for this week, we're going to need to use a very special letter. Let's think of what the word bird, what letter it starts with. Let's think about it. It's the letter B. We're going to be using the letter B to create our bird drawing this week. So what you're going to need to make sure that you have with you is a pencil to draw with, a paper, and of course the art supplies that you've chosen to work with, like to color. So I like to use crayons and markers. You can use crayons, you can just use markers, you can use paint if you have it. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using a black marker so that you can see me drawing a whole lot better. But I want you to first use a pencil, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing that I'm going to be doing is turning my paper so that it looks like this. This is called portrait style. Okay, this is how it should look. It looks like when you get a paper and it has text on it or something, like a worksheet. Usually the paper's in portrait style. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we're gonna start out by making a capital letter B. So I'm gonna make a nice big letter B so my bird can be big. I'm gonna draw a line. And two, let's be careful, bumps like this to make my letter B. Okay, there's my letter B. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is make a triangle. So let's make a triangle. Can you guess what this is gonna be? The beak. Right? This is the beak of my bird. There's my beak. Next, I'm going to make a circle. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. This is going to be my bird's eye. And now I'm going to make one more circle inside, and it's going to be smaller. This is his little pupil. And I'm going to just color it in nice and carefully. And now I'm going to make another circle over here on his nose. And that's going to be part of where he breathes through. And I'm going to make a line that goes straight down vertically. And I'm going to color only this part. This is so we can add a little bit of detail. Do you see our bird? Next, we're gonna need the wing. And to make the wing, we're gonna use a very special letter, another one, and it's the letter J. So let's use the letter J, and there's his little wing. Okay. Lastly, we're gonna make his little talons that help him hold on. So we're gonna curved line and another curved line. Do you see it? The letter U 3 times. There you go. And lastly, we're gonna make the little branch that he's sitting on. So I'm gonna do that by making a circle just like this, a line, this is a little pointy line for the branch, and then I'm going to finish it like this. Circle, line, line. There we go. And there's the tree branch that he's standing on. So this is how you draw a bird with the letter B. Okay, so now our job is to color our bird. Your bird can be any color you want. He can be a yellow bird, or he can be a black bird, or a red bird. There's red birds, and those birds are called cardinals. I think I'm going to be coloring my bird red today, but you can color your bird after any other bird in the wild. There's some that are orange, some that are brown and orange, or many other colors, okay? So let's go ahead and color together. I'm gonna go a little faster so that you can see me coloring it in, but you take your time, okay? Let's get started. Boys and girls, this is the bird and it's all done. Remember, we used the letter B for our bird, and here we used a triangle for his beak, a circle for his eye, and another one that is smaller, the letter J for his wing, and we curved some lines and used 3-letter U's for his little feet here. And of course, we used a circle and some lines to make the tree branch. And we made a bird. I hope you all enjoyed this project and had so much fun drawing it alongside with me. And I can't wait to see everybody's birds when they're all ready and done. We'll see you all next time. Bye.